Welcome back to another video on our Dream in the Woods. Today we start the process of bringing up the elevation of the barn and compacting it and getting a good base for the concrete slab and then the gravel in the north part. So we had a little change of plans, I guess. Originally we're just going to leave the elevation as is, but when Erik was in here with the backhoe, he thought it felt soft, and so kind of dug her around each pier and excavated, moved the material to the center. And so on the agenda today is I'm going to jumping jack compact around each pier, at least 2 widths of the foot. So about 24 inches around the outside, go around it several times and get that compacted. Then we'll move that material out of the center and compact it again. And then after that, then we'll start bringing in some gravel and raising the elevation. Elevation on the south side where the slab is going to go is going to be 2 inches under the piers, because we're going to put 2 inches of foam. Vapor barrier, foam, rebar, and then we're going to pour a 6-inch slab here on this side. On the far side, it is going to come up to within about 1.5 inches of the top of the square piers that we made. So we'll get into that more later, but today is jumping jack day. So standard jumping jack, it's just a plate compactor that oscillates up and down. I have never ran one before. I can't say that I'm looking forward to it, but just a necessary job to get through, and should be able to complete compaction of all these today. That's the goal, so get to it. After doing a few, I don't know what the appropriate amount of times around that thing, but I'm going to call it 5 one way and 5 the other way. And so at least that'll give me 10 rounds around each piling out about that 24-inch mark, somewhere in there. Well, my time behind the jumping jack, it was okay. I can't say I like it, but it was okay. Was able to compact all those. I don't know how many hours it took me, but quite a while. But it's still early afternoon. I just kind of got rehydrated, had some granola bars, and thought I was just going to call it quits today, but I'm thinking I'll get in my skid steer, get the bucket on, and start filling in dirt around these, and then see if I can get dirt up. Maybe put about 10 inches in around each one. Then kind of shovel it somewhat smooth, and then instead of returning that jumping jack today, I'll return it tomorrow morning and see if I can get another lift around those pillars today with a skid steer, and then compact it today. So might as well get to it.
I know we gotta get it. I know we gotta get it. No, we gotta get it somehow. I know we gotta get it. I know we gotta get it. No, we gotta get it somehow. I have never trusted anyone. I have always been away on the run. Why am I here, wasting away with you?
Well, today's been a bit of a butt kicker. We're running that jumping jack all day and shoveling, and we've had some thunderstorms that came through, and that's helped, but it's still, I don't know, probably about 80 out here or something. I don't know, hot enough that it's hot for me. So I picked up that jumping jack about 8:30, 8:15, and it's 7 o'clock right now in the evening, so I just got a couple hours before it's dark. I need to wash that thing, so I'm down to 2 bents, or 2 more rows, columns, whatever you want to call them, to jumping jack, and then I'll be done. Been trying to move material so it's a little more level. Here on the right hand side, or the east side, there was quite a slope, and these stuck up a little further, so I tried my best to get material over here. It'll still take Erik's finesse on the backhoe to get this smoothed out and compacted, but after that we'll be ready for this ballast kind of material, the 2.5 minus. I'm gonna get 5 super dump loads of that. So, and then that'll be 1 lift, and we'll have 1 more after that. So it's coming along. Hard day, but going good, I guess. Next up, more barn foundation work. It just takes a long time, especially when you work full time and you're only off certain days. So I'm off on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I'm getting 5 super dumps and a walk beside or walk behind a roller compactor for I think 2 days. So step by step, getting to it. Appreciate it, you watching. Have a great day.